Assembled Threads is a community manufacturing hub located in communities where there is long-term and underemployment and disadvantaged communities. This is our pilot hub, and we have recruited and employed 13 candidates from the surrounding suburbs and the Flemington estates. We only had two very simple requirements for the candidate selection: sewing experience and a passion to sew as a job. We find that a lot of community members have a barrier to a lot of workplaces because of lack of English.
I'm from Pakistan and I did course in my country, and also I did certificate 3 here, and I love sewing. I'm very passionate about this. I feel great, this is part of my life.
We have candidates from 9 different countries, none of whom have English as a first language, which means they have to actually communicate with each other in English. And the confidence in both language skill and confidence in the individuals has grown exponentially.
We are all friends now. We're discussing together, we're working together, sharing the work together, helping each other. It's good to have from different countries and then helping me to develop my language too.
We were like strange at the start, but now we are just like family.
Assembled Threads are providing support for people who are finding it really difficult to break into the market or to get a job. They're supporting people from public housing estates, people from our more vulnerable communities who may have the skills but haven't been able to get a job. The Council is supporting Assembled Threads a number of ways. We're supporting them through the provision of this venue. We're hoping that we can support a number of social enterprises and fledgling businesses to get a kickstart in the municipality.
We were really looking for a progressive partnership with the council. Their question to us was, what do you need? A space, we said, with a lot of natural light. Within days they came back saying, we've got a space, it's a bit quirky, what do you think? And it's brilliant.
Council's overall philosophy is local jobs for local people. I think when you create an opportunity where you build really strong partnerships between local industry, social enterprises, local government, other support services, you create an environment for amazing projects like this to happen.
Homes Glen have been an amazing partnership in this project, and their skills training was fantastic. For us at Assembled Threads, it's really important that we return to that focus on local manufacturing and supporting local artisans within our community. I think one thing that COVID has probably taught us all is that we really do need to look at self-sufficiency for the manufacturing of our products.
I just start working here and I'm learning new skills.
What work actually means for people is more than just getting a job. It's about having a future and having a sense of hope. And so that's about, all of a sudden there are possibilities around a career. It brings hope back to the broader community. The more people that are employed locally, the more people that are able to generate a future for themselves, that brings hope back to their families.
I don't have much, but I'm happy to have here to work. I'm learning, working. Very good, excellent. I like to start my own business to support my family.
I think this is more exciting place and nice environment. Yeah, I'm really grateful for the community. I really want to be a fashion designer. This is my dream.
But our goal is for this to be the first hub, but the first of many hubs where we can build these magnificent teams of highly skilled individuals, passionate and engaged in what they're doing, and take on the world.